Okay, I think we're ready to go. Uh, Please let me know if I am audible. Yeah, great, great. Thank you. Okay, so let's get it started. I'm Alexander, the general manager of Aurus company. Thank you all for joining us today. I really hope that the next 40 minutes will bring you some new knowledge and new ideas beneficial for your business. Well, for more than a decade, we've been developing software solutions for enterprise collaboration and contact centers. And today I'd like to highlight the most significant updates to our portfolio. And I will also share with you our R&D plans for this year. So in this session, the audio gone. Low? Hmm. Good. Audio is good. Okay. So let me continue. So in this session, I will be talking about Aurus best sellers, and these are Phone App, which is the solution for enterprise call recording and contact center quality management, and Rich Call, which is a live video platform designed specifically for contact centers. If you are not familiar with these solutions, I will briefly describe product features and product positioning. And for those who already work with us, I will share the roadmap for 2024. Please ask your questions in the text chat area or QA or whatever you like more. I will check in the end of the session. Okay, so here is the brief info about Aurus. We're in business since 2009. We sell globally, having a local presence in Dubai, Delhi, and the United States. We are Cisco development partner for several years, and all our products can be integrated with Cisco platforms, though they are not limited to Cisco. Okay, so the first product I want to talk about is PhoneUp Call Recording and Quality Management Bundle. The solution covers actually two major use cases. You can just record employee phone calls for regulatory and compliance purposes, or you can monitor and improve the quality of your customer service. I would say that compared with the heavyweight global leaders in that space, PhoneUp is a kind of light solution that doesn't require extensive training and huge budgets. It's also vendor agnostic, meaning that a single PhoneUp instance can be integrated with multiple communication platforms from different vendors, and it is customizable. As I mentioned, we are not huge, uh, and we can discuss any specific client requirements. Most often, actually, it's integration with third-party software. Uh, the product consists of several modules. Um, with several modules, and each module is licensed separately. And the first one is, of course, voice recording. We are actually in voice recording space for very long. It's our best seller, and the client base is around 1,000 clients globally. And the largest deployment we had was about 40. 100,000 endpoints configured for recording. So voice recording is really ready for large-scale distributed call recording deployments. So here you can see some major features and recording methods supported and integrations supported. So it's quite mature. So voice recording is here. The next module of phone app is screen recording, which is also available. Here on this page, you can see phone app interaction player with voice wave on the top, two screen recordings in the bottom, and right in between, there is a desktop analytics, which shows which exactly applications were used by the agent during that particular call. It's quite a useful tool which actually allows you to analyze the performance of your agents in depth. For example, you can examine which apps do agent normally use when putting customer on hold. Because when they put customer on hold, probably the apps they use need some kind of optimization for the agents to spend less time on them, right? So screen recording and desktop analytics is also available as an optional module. Next, silent monitoring and whisper coaching. This is available for Cisco UCM at the moment. Essentially, a supervisor can monitor the calls of the team in real time, choose any call, connect to it to listen, and speak to the agent without customer hearing. The module is normally used for new agents training. So silent monitoring and whisper coaching is the third module of QM bundle of FunUp. Okay, what next? Oh, actually here we are coming to the roadmap for 2024. Of course, we will be adding tons of minor features and improvements based on the customer feedback. But besides that, we are going to introduce two new modules. And the first one is the quality management, which will be released just this month. The module supports industry standard quality management features, like you configure the evaluation forms, then you assign quality managers to listen to recorded calls and evaluate your agents. Then you just examine the evaluation reports, and based on this analysis, you train your agents and adjust customer service workflows. So the quality management module here, I mean manual call assessment. This is just coming this month. Okay, next. The next actually huge thing we are going to add this year is speech analytics and automated quality management. Here, FONAP will be integrated with voice transcribing engine provided by our technology partner. You will configure speech tags based on specific keywords and call events like hold, unhold, transfer, and so on. And the speech analytics engine will process all the recordings and enrich them with speech tags like it is shown on that picture below. So these speech tags will allow you to detect the common agent errors, for example, like no greeting in the beginning or no sorry for putting the client on hold, and so on and so on. And the same tags will be used to automatically classify your calls and then have a reporting on that. And another thing is that if the speech analytics, if this module is used in conjunction with the quality management module, it will also improve it in two ways. So first, you will be able to manually evaluate only those calls which are marked as negative instead of evaluating random calls, as it often happens. And uh, and second, uh, some questions of the evaluation form will be answered just automatically. So this way, your quality managers uh, will work just several times more effectively, spending less time on call assessment. So once again, the speech analytics module is another huge thing we will be introducing this year, presumably in the last quarter. Okay, so this is just briefly about PhoneUp. If you have any questions, please. Okay, so there is one. If we have outbound IVR campaign from UCCX site, can we enable call recording for those calls? These calls will not lend it to contact center agents, just IVR calls. Well, yeah, definitely you can do that, because as I mentioned in the very beginning, PhoneUp is kind of light solution, meaning that even we are trying to make it like zero config software. So you just deploy it. And talking about outbound campaigns, you just configure, for example, your SBC with CPREC, and you configure your SBC to send media to PhoneUp recorder. And that's it. The calls PhoneUp receives, everything will be recorded. And it doesn't matter if the call is landed to a CC agent or it's kind of voice bot, whatever. Everything that goes through SBC and forked to PhoneUp, everything will be recorded. If there is an agent, the call will be automatically assigned to this agent. If there is just an IVR, the call will still be recorded and available in the interface. Can I get a demo licenses to test this? Yeah, definitely. So normally, what we can do is we can do a live demo first to show the interfaces, to show how it works, and to discuss your requirements particular. And if you feel that PhoneUp fits, then we just provide you a demo license and help you deploy and configure software in your network. Okay, so what else? Next. Oh, okay. So actually, now we're switching to another product called Rich Call, which is designed purely for customer service. Again, I'm going first to let you know about the features already available, and then I will share what will be added this year. So Rich Call, the mission is actually to add a live video channel to a contact center. And Rich Call currently covers 4 major use cases listed here. So I will briefly go through each of them. So the first one is a live help on a website. It actually works quite straightforward. So you just embed a widget into your website, which allows a client to instantly connect with a company representative or a contact center agent on a video. And the video session also features web collaboration tools like text chat, like document sharing, like screen sharing, co-browsing, and something like that. So the idea is quite simple. Like everybody loves meeting on Zoom or WebEx or Teams, whatever, and so on. And this is just because you see each other and you can collaborate, right? So Rich Call just brings the same experience to a contact center, and therefore you can sell better and you can support more effectively. Uh, the second use case Rich Call covers is virtual showroom. And this means that the sales representative can use his or her mobile device to show the product live through a video stream, like you can see here. The sales rep of a car dealer, for example, can receive a video call from the client on a desktop and then uh, transfer the call to the mobile device and to go to the showroom and show the car live from inside, from outside, speaking to the customer at the same time. So virtual showroom and live streaming is the second use case Rich Call covers. Okay, next, give me a second. Okay, visual customer support. This is the third use case covered by Rich Call. Imagine a customer has some issue with the product purchased. Okay, so he cannot resolve it and makes just a regular phone call to a contact center asking for the assistance, right? And at this time, the support engineer says like, okay, I'm sending you a link. Please click it and show me what is exactly happening. So the client receives a link, clicks it. The rear camera of mobile device is automatically turned on, and the support guy can see the issue online in real time and help the client faster and guide the client towards the resolution. So this is how visual customer support works. Okay, next. Okay, the last use case for Rich Call, the last use case for video in a customer service is video kiosks. So Rich Call can be used, can be embedded in a video kiosk. You can deploy a specialized video kiosk dedicated to video calling, or you can embed a live video option into your existing self-service kiosk, like it is shown here on the screenshot. So there is a self-service ticketing kiosk But when the customer has a particular questions like what are the rules for my dog or for my cat, or when there is some other question, so there is a live option available which instantly connects the customer, the kiosk user, with a sales representative, with the support team. Yeah. Okay, so these were 4 use cases already supported. And now let me say some words about Rich Call roadmap. So in this year, first, we are going to actually rebuild our mobile SDK. Lots of clients are asking about embedding video into their existing mobile apps. It's now possible for Android apps. And in the second quarter of this year, we will add iOS support as well. So second improvement is also about mobile phones. Currently, you can receive video calls on desktop and Android devices. And again, we are going to cover the gap with Apple, and we will build the iOS application for contact center agent for customer representative. Next, we are planning to add more routing capabilities like call transfer, like alternative queues. These are actually typical features of voice contact centers, and we are going to add the same ones to Rich Call. And finally, we will continue integration with third-party contact center apps and the contact center platforms and CRM and help desk software, etc. Rich Call actually works in 2 modes. It can work as a standalone platform. It has inbuilt queues and skills and routing rules and so on. But it also can be integrated with the existing contact center platforms. It's currently tested with Cisco, Avaya, and Salesforce, and we will be adding other vendors as well, based on what our clients are using. So this is about Rich Call. Let me check the questions. Regarding my last call recording question, are you recording these campaign calls from gateway level? Yeah, exactly. Talking about phone app, we support, let me get back to the recording methods approach. So here you can see recording approach, several recording approaches, and so we support CPREC to record on a gateway level. We support span recording for SIP calls internally. FNAP supports Cisco proprietary recording approaches like built-in bridge, like cube forking, network-based recording, and so on. So we know Cisco, as you may imagine, very well, because we are solution partners for probably 7 or 8 years. And we are ready to custom integrations as well, meaning that if there is a standalone standalone communication platform which does recording by itself, we can export actually, no, import import these recordings into phone app to to have just a single storage for all enterprise recordings. Okay, so here is rich call and rich call roadmap. And actually here we came to an end. So as I mentioned, answering one of the questions, as the next step, it's possible to schedule a live demo with us to see any solution live and discuss it in details. And then we can arrange a POC to test it in your network, issuing a demo license, and we will also help you to deploy and configure the software. Uh, Here are my contacts if you don't work with us yet. So you're welcome to engage with me. I'm based in Dubai. And I will ask is all of you to examine in details. And briefly, this is all I was going to share. And let me wait a couple of minutes for another questions from you. By the way, I didn't check the Q&A yet. Okay. Please let me know for those who joined later if I should send you a recording of this session. Well, if somebody needs that, please let me know and we will send you a link. Okay, so I cannot see any new questions. So just as I promised, 40 minutes and we are done. So hopefully uh, you found some useful for you. And we will share this document with all of you. Where are my contacts on the last page? Uh, mm, so welcome to engage with me, and hopefully we can do some business together. Uh, Thanks a lot, and see you next time.